lot of requests for a Neil Young song, so I decided to go with one of my personal favourites. Coming up is a song from 1972 from the Harvest album by Neil Young. It's a song of tragic beauty. I don't want to go into the subject matter here, but if you're interested, go and have a look in Wikipedia. Suffice it to say that it's a song about friendship, loss, and the rock and roll lifestyle. So let's have a look at Neil Young's 1972 classic, The Needle and the Damage Done. So here are the chords you'll need. D, D sus2, C add 9, G6 over B, G minor 6 over B flat, C, F, E sus4, and E. So for C, you've got this lovely bass line movement in the C. That just goes like this. So the right hand rhythm has a very steady up, down motion, starting on a down on the bass note. Just follow the tabs below. I'll play it nice and slowly. So you start off with your D down to the C add 9, etc. That's the intro out of the way. I'll play it up to speed. For the verses, it's slightly easier. Instead of that moving bass line in the C, you plays a C, then an F. So the verse goes like this. And there you have it. In the E, at the end of the verse, there is that movement. So it goes like this. I don't think he did this in the original, but on some of the live versions, he used the D sus4 towards the end of the song. So instead of going, he goes. And at the very end of the song, there's just this. Now, quick Geeks Corner. I get a lot of comments, people wondering what this guitar is. It's a D'Angelico Brooklyn, which was a present from my beloved 10 years ago, 2015. It's unusually got brass string pegs on it, which gives it this lovely bright sound. It features this Art Deco sort of tribute to New York skyline buildings. So that's your D'Angelico Brooklyn. Fishman pickups, more Art Deco detailing on the tuners and the bridge. Okay, so that's how you play Neil Young's beautiful Needle and the Damage Done. I hope you found the video helpful. If there are any other videos you'd like me to make, leave a comment below and I'll see what I can do. While you're down there, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel here, watch a similar video up here, or my latest video right up here. I'm Niall O'Riordan. Thank you so much for watching. Keep that guitar out where you can see it, learn a tune a week, and build up your chops.